Don't burp again. It's so disgusting. Ew. Ugh. That was so many flavors combined. Ugh. Let's talk about it.
Use the blindfold. I was like, you don't have to be blindfolded. Why are you burping all the damn time?
I know that might be offensive. Oh wait, that note is low. Okay, I got it. I'm about to burp. Hold on. Do it with me. I'm about to burp.
What do you have to say?
Hold on. Whoa. Excuse me. That just popped out. God.
Alright, ready?
Oh God. My body is not. Alright. Sorry. Alright, next we have God for being what's the word? Sorry.
I felt that.
Wait here, look. I'm about to burp. This story makes me burp. Wait, gotta burp. Whew. I'll try the icicle. Oh. Oh, oh! It smells like an airhead. That's.
I haven't cried like, but I've gotten teary-eyed over. Okay, over.
Let's do another route.
I got a little something spicy. Just like his burp.
Annoying. Well, but we're gonna enjoy it. There it is.
Anyways, that's all there is.
Snowy.
I'm about to burp, hold on. Suck it in like Miranda.
With some, like, call it. It does something.
Like I don't burp this much usually. Like you come over here.
I
and
do
you-
burp.
So I met Ricky and we filmed, but like he burps.
He burps a lot. But now that this is all happening. Actually, I want to pop a little bit of that.
But in return for that fart, I'm gonna give you a burp.
Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na, na.
He took me back 2 weeks to
That was
Atlanta.
wrong note.
Someone's finding a flight. Someone's finding a fighter jet.
Cake your face like a novice. That's hot.
Is that channel like?
Yeah, actually.
gotta-
I hit the like this. Like,
Netflix.
It's like don't watch it.
Yeah.
Ugh. What? I don't know why a burp came out. I thought I was gonna laugh.
And I'm my mother's daughter.
Alright, sorry. I just jumped out.